The most reliable reward apps aren't the ones promising the biggest earnings. They're the ones that have maintained clear earning rules, predictable redemption systems, and active support over time. By the end, you'll know 5 reward apps that stand out for reliability in 2026, and what makes each one worth considering. At number 5 is Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards keeps things simple. Eligible users receive short surveys when available, answer honestly, and earn rewards according to the platform's program. There are no complicated milestones or game mechanics to manage, which makes the experience straightforward. At number 4 is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is built around scanning receipts from qualifying purchases. Instead of completing surveys or chasing limited-time offers, you upload eligible receipts and collect rewards based on the app's published rules. The earning process stays consistent because it's centered on everyday shopping. At number 3 is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars gives users multiple ways to earn through eligible surveys, promotional offers, and other supported activities. Having several earning categories means you're not depending on one feature if opportunities become limited. Now let's look at the top 2. At number 2 is Ibotta. Ibotta has built its reputation around cashback shopping. Activate eligible offers before purchasing, complete your shopping, then submit your receipt, or use supported retailer account linking when available. The process is clearly explained, making it easier for users to understand how rewards are earned. The number 1 spot goes to Swagbucks. Swagbucks combines several earning methods into one platform, including eligible surveys, shopping offers, supported games, and promotional tasks. That variety makes it useful for different types of users while keeping the redemption process familiar and easy to follow. Here's something every reliable reward app has in common. None of them promise instant wealth or guaranteed income. Instead, they explain how to qualify for rewards, what activities are eligible, and how to redeem earnings once the platform's requirements are met. Before using any reward app, read the earning instructions carefully, complete activities exactly as described, and check your reward history regularly. That simple habit helps prevent tracking problems and makes it easier to resolve issues if they occur. The biggest takeaway is that Swagbucks, Ibotta, Inbox Dollars, Fetch Rewards, and Google Opinion Rewards continue ranking among the most dependable reward apps because they focus on transparent earning systems instead of unrealistic promises. Reliability comes from consistency, not flashy advertisements. Your next step is to choose the app that best matches your daily routine, complete your first eligible earning activity, and successfully redeem a reward before expanding to additional platforms. If this ranking helped you find reliable reward apps for 2026, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews, payout guides, and weekly updates.